Welcome to a get ready session with me. Firstly, I am starting off with Biotique Bio Honey Toner for toning my face. Take few drops on your palm and gently press it on your face. Wait until it gets dry. And don't forget to moisturize your lips. Apply any lip balm. Never ever forget to moisturize your face. Apply a good layer of moisturizer on your face. Here I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer. Applying sunscreen is optional here. You can also skip this step. Everyone has a different skin types or skin concerns. This is Stay Quirky First Base Primer Oil, taking 2-3 drops of it. Ideal for combination, normal skin types. It provides a perfect base layer for your makeup. Lightweight, non-greasiness, minimize pores, keeps my makeup long lasting. Also adds a subtle glow to my powder blends easily. It keeps your makeup long lasting and gives natural matte finish. Applying it to my under and above eyes and nose area for avoid creasing. Let's do brows now. Here I am using an angular brush. Taking black eyeshadow for filling my eyebrows.
I can't think.